Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. Welcome to the special holiday program for Khin's Craft Corner. Today I will show you how to make your own salto ornaments like these. There are 3 methods you can use to dry the salto craft: air drying, baking and microwaving. Let's use microwave method. Since it is the fastest and will cut down on drying time. We will need half a cup of all-purpose flour, a quarter cup of salt, a quarter cup of warm water. If you want to make more, you can always double or triple the recipe. A mixing bowl, a big spoon, some extra flours for coating your hands, cookie cutters, the rolling pin, and the surface you're going to knead the dough. A rolling pin, some cookie cutters, a flat microwave safe plate, some paper towels, a big drinking straw, I cut it in half, different colors of Sharpie fine point permanent markers, some brushes and acrylic paints, the ribbons or the strings. Okay, let's mix the ingredients. Combine the flour and the salt in the mixing bowl. While mixing, put some warm water slowly. And mix them well till you get a dough with a Play-Doh like consistency. Put the warm water slowly. Mix them well. After that, coat your hands with the flour. Form the dough into a ball. Like this. And place it on a lightly floured surface and knead it for 5 minutes. Like this. You can knead it for 5 minutes. After you knead it for 5 minutes, flatten it a little bit and where's the flour? Roll it out with a flour rolling pin. Isn't this fun? The thinner your dough, the better for you to dry it. So make it thinner. Roll it up thinner. Okay. After you flatten the dough, cut the ornaments out by using the cookie cutters. Okay, but before you use a cookie cutter, coat the cookie cutters with flour. So the dough does not stick to them. After you cut out your shape ornaments, use a big drinking straw, poke a hole in the top of your ornament. You make sure to get rid of the salt dough in the end of your drinking straw before you go to another ornament. So let me show you. Then make a hole in the top of the ornament. Okay. On a microwave safe plate, put 2 or 3 layers of the paper towel and then place your ornament on it. Microwave them for 3 to 5 minutes. During the process, you must stop and check them every 15 seconds. By doing it, you can avoid overcooking them. After microwaving them 3 to 5 minutes and they are still not completely dry, then you can continue microwaving them for 10 to 15 seconds increments till they're done. Once they're done, let them cool completely. After they dry, you can decorate your ornament the way you like. You can use Sharpie fine point permanent markers to draw on them or paint them with a brush and the acrylic paints. If you paint the ornament, let the paint dry completely. After that, you can pull a string or a ribbon through the hole and tie it. Your ornaments are ready to hang any way you like. I decorate on both sides. This is a traditional Christmas tree. This is our fun shape llama ornament. Here's a Batman. And here's a cute Pikachu. Make a lot of these for your family and your friends and of course for yourself. I hope you enjoy watching the Soldo Ornaments craft video today. Have a wonderful time making the Soldo ornaments with your family. Happy holidays to you all. Be safe and stay healthy. Bye now.